Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Today I am going to show you how to make a perfect jhumka. This video is completely for beginners. I know the struggle to wrap the jhumkas perfectly neat when you are just a beginner. So I made this video to share few tips and tricks to make it easy for you guys. Without wasting the time, let's get started. This is an example of a nicely wrapped silk thread jhumka. This depends on the number of silk thread strands you've wrapped around. You can clearly see how much space is left over here. Now this is an example of a badly wrapped jhumka. You can clearly see there is literally no space, and I couldn't even finish the wrapping as the entire space is clogged up. This is because I used more number of silk thread strands. Firstly, you need to remember the different sizes of jhumka bases: small, medium, large and many more. Depending upon the size of the base, you need to use the silk thread strands. Now let's wrap a size 2 jhumka. Take a lid and we are going to wrap the silk thread around 25 to 27 times for the size 2 jhumka. You can also make it to 30 but not more than that. Also, your lid should be bigger as you can have as much as thread to finish it in one go, or else you need to attach the pieces to the base to finish the jhumka. After you're done, cut in the middle. Now apply some glue and press the thread to make it flat this way. Now take the other end and trim it to make it look even. And this time slightly roll with your fingers to make it look pointed. This is the second most important step as it makes it very easy to wrap around. You can see the difference here. One end is flat, other end is pointed. Now take your base and glue the flat side of the thread to the bottom of the base. Let it dry for some time. Now it's time to wrap the thread. Press your thumb to make the thread to stay at its place and insert the pointed end into the hole. Now tightly pull the thread and place the thumb again and insert the other end into the hole. Repeat this process until you cover the entire base. Remember to keep the thread flat entire time using your thumb. After you're done, apply some glue as shown. Now cut the excess thread, and that's it, you're done. You can see how neatly the Jhumka is wrapped over here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be a part of the family. Also do like and share if you like the video. Now let's meet in my next video. Until then, happy crafting and bye bye.